Here I have MGM6 and let me show you how to use the key to open hands-free trunk on this car. So let's start by using the home screen, and here let's find the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now from the following settings you need to use the upper menu, and let's switch from driving control to the convenience, so to the third tab. And here all you need to do is scroll down. Let's scroll down far enough to find here the hands-free tailgate, as you can see. So when your hands are full of groceries, this feature lets you open the trunk without using your key or touching the button. With the key fob in your pocket, you can simply wave or kick your foot underneath the center of the rear bumper, and the power tailgate will automatically let open. So all you need to do is enable this switcher, and right now you can use this amazing feature. So right now you can impress your neighbors and open your tailgate without your hands. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.